Hey there, beautiful people. I hope you are having a creative day. Today, I will share with you an amazing platform where you can create beautiful free website with your own custom domain. You can sell your products, your courses. You can sell physical products as well. You can run your marketing campaign, sales funnels, and many more things. So, without further delay, let's get started. The platform we're going to use for this tutorial is called systems.io, and in this platform you can create free blog websites, you can create digital store as well as a commercial website. So right here you have the blog, sales funnel, and the digital store. So go to the blogs, for example, and you can create a blog right here. Okay, so all you have to do is set the name of your blog. So I'm gonna go with the blog, and then this is the domain name. Right now we're gonna add our own domain as well, right? And the URL path will be set to blog as well. Okay, and after that, you can select any of these pre-made templates that you like. So, for example, this right here is magazine kind of template. Okay, so I like this one. It has really good internal link structure, so it will be really good for SEO as well as get more traffic. So I'm gonna select this template and click on save. So this is my blog website. You can add all your blog posts and everything from here. Before we move forward and talk about how to edit the post, let's first connect our domain. So for each free plan, you can add one commercial domain as well, custom domain. So go to the settings here and go to the custom domains right here. And in this section, you can add one domain of your own. So click on add domain. I'm going to add a domain from my Hostinger website, sorry, Hostinger platform. You can add one domain for free plan, as I said before. So I'm gonna add a domain like this. Okay, so this is the domain I have purchased from Hostinger. You can get a domain for very cheap from here. So click on save. And now it will give you some CNAME records, and you have to add these records in your website. So the first thing you need to do is add a www record. So if you have any record before, delete it. Okay, and go here in your DNS record. You will find it in your dashboard. When you buy the domain, you will see these settings in your DNS/name server. So select CNAME here in the name, write www, and in the target, you have to add this value right here. Okay, and click on add record. You need to add one more record here. So copy this from here, select the CNAME in the name, paste this value, and in the CNAME, the value will be this one. So this will be the target value and this will be the name value. And click on add record. Okay, and now this domain will be connected to your website. It will take some time for this connection to establish, so maybe around 24 hours, but most of the time it will happen within 1 or 2 hours. So after that, you can use your own custom domain as well. So this blog website that we have created before, it will be added in your blog site. So it is pending validation right now, but it will be done eventually. While we are at the DNS, you can also connect your search console. So if someone is new to the website building things, Let me show you how to do this. Go to the Google Search Console, click on Add Property, and this pop-up will appear here. Write your domain, and it will give you a text record. Just copy it, go to your DNS, and select the text record here and type the value here. And now this website will be listed in the Google Search Console as well. So now Google will visit your website, your domain, and look for all the pages you have. Okay, so we have verified the ownership. Now you can go to the Search Console and look at all the performance and all the pages you want to show on the Google search. Anyway, let's go back to the platform here. And now we have our website and the domain. So go back to the blogs. And right here, you can go to the settings. And when the domain is connected, you can select the domain from, okay? And you can also set the language. To add your own blog post, you can go to the blog here. You can also change the layout of the blog. So one of the coolest thing about this platform is that it has its own website editor as well. So you can um, change the layout of your website and add different things. But I'm not going to go with that because I'm pretty sure that the current layout is more than enough. To add the blog, you have to go to the create, add your title, add the description as well. Right here, you can add your own slug, and here you can add the custom cover image will be shown in the website. And right here, you can select the category of the blog. After that, click on save, and the blog post will be added in your blog. Now you can go to the blog here and add your own content. So right here we have the heading, the text, the bullet list, and many more things. You can also add survey. You can add custom codes. You can add countdown. You can add forms and many more things. Right. So this is one of the coolest feature. You can add your own domain with your own website, your own blog. You can also add digital stores. So if you want to sell some products, you can also do that. So go here, write your store name, and now you have the store as well. Just go here and you can either sell the digital products or you can also sell external products. So if you have some products on Amazon, for example, you can also list them here. You can also build your own email list. So you can create a subtitle form in this website. And finally, one of the coolest feature is the sales funnel. So if you want to sell products or services, you can also do so. But before we can accept the payment, you have to first make sure to connect the payment method as well as complete the profile. So I'm just gonna show you. So just give it the name and click on save. And now they have a lot of templates here, and you can simply um, create a sales funnel and sell your product. All right, so this is another coolest feature of this platform. You will not get these type of features in most free platforms. Like there are very few platforms which actually gives you this type of features. You can also sell the physical products. So if you want to sell some sort of physical product, some sort of t-shirts or anything, if you are in drop shipping, you can also sell those type of products. It also has subscription, affiliate programs, and you can also add courses. So if you want to sell some online courses, you can also add them here. It even has the contact section. So if you want to build your subscriber base, you can also do so. It has pipelines, so if you want to create automations, you can do that. You can send newsletter, you can create campaigns, you can also see the analytics. And if you want to upgrade, they have some pretty cool upgrade programs as well. So right now we have the free plan, so you can get up to 2000 contacts, 3 sales funnels, 15 sales funnel steps, one blog which we have already used, and this blog has unlimited posts, so you don't have to worry about that. You can create one blog website with unlimited post. You can add one course, one digital store, and up to 3 digital products. So for most people who want to start their business somewhere, this is a really good platform. And this is free for lifetime, so you can go today and create your account, build your website, and if you like, you can later on upgrade as well. But yeah, this is how you create a free website using the system.io. It will take some time for the domain to connect, but it will happen eventually, and you will be able to add it in your website. In the description, I have dropped the link of this platform. It's an affiliate link, so you can use that, or you can just go to the system.io, whatever you prefer. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.